Love, love, love my new cute little heater. My heat went out. It was 9 degrees below outside. My home is 140 years old, so the windows, although beautiful, aren't very heat efficient. This little guy kept a room of 450 square feet, warm, floating between 59 and 63 degrees. And considering sub-zero temperatures and the size of this unit compared to my coffee cup, I thought it was remarkably efficient, and it turns itself off for safety. But I would not use it around kids because it does get...
This has been so good so far. It is a little desk heater, and here you have the on button, and it's pretty warm pretty quick, which is awesome. Super quiet. It also has a knockover feature, or a tip over feature, so there's a little button on the bottom, so if you tip it over or it falls, it automatically turns it off. So you can see the little button right here, so when it's pressed flush against.
This is my little heater I got. I love it. It has tilt for an emergency if something happens, so it won't, keep burning and running. Simple little button here, and perfect of all, it keeps me really warm. I have it right here on my nightstand, next to my remote and everything, but I like it. That's it from the side. That's the back. Keep it well ventilated, so you won't stop it up, and cause it not to work.
Billy review on this bad little heater right here. Works great. Got a little safety button there on the bottom. See right there by about the middle of the screen. You set it down. It runs. It falls over, it cuts off. Works great.
It's so cute. It's literally the size of my hand, which is literally like 5 inches. Don't worry about what's in the back, but literally it's so fierce. Like the amount of heat that's coming out of it is so strong that it may take some time for the room to warm up, but it will definitely do its job. Also, even though there's like a power button here, there's like a little button here, and so it needs to be like on solid foundation, solid base. Like I wouldn't recommend putting it in the carpet or anything like that for it to act.
Okay, not sure what happened to my original video, but here is a new video. It does have a safety switch on the bottom, so if it knocks over, it turns off. See? So, little bitty thing, but it does pull it out.
This little fella turns off with that little button right there. Let's see, this button, on off safety tilt. Here's the information on the power consumption. This little fella, boy, let me tell you.
I love this little heater. I'd like to show you something. So this is the heater in my room in my corner. And it works good. It works so good. Could you
So I was tired of having cold fingers while I was typing. I looked on Amazon and I found a perfect one here that'll fit right underneath my workstation.
Love it. Looks great. The switch will not stay.